So how to use TikTok AI avatars for your profile. So when you go to your messages and then you see activities, you will be notified. Even if you disabled notifications, you will be notified that your avatars are ready. And then you can just tap on those and then you can just tap to view them. And then, then basically you can just select any avatar you like, for example, here. And then you can just tap the red button use for profile. So that's what it is. You can also tap to download in the top right, or you can just tap create more in the bottom left to create more different styles and all of that. It's completely free. So TikTok implemented this feature completely for free, while other apps charging for it, and usually you need to pay at least like $4 or $5 to get a pack of like 30 avatars. Here, TikTok is giving you what, 1, 2, 3, 6, 10. See, I think it's actually giving you 30 avatars, right? Around that for free. And then they're only for a week. So you need to use them or download them. And then they probably will be deleted. So yeah, that's what it is.